Hello, my name's Jarton and I'm an author, and a lot of the books I've been writing are all maths books, and here's some of them. These are the murderous maths books that they're called. And thanks to these books, for the last 20 years, I've been touring the country, and I go to Ireland and other places as well, doing maths shows. You might think, why would you want to do maths shows? I'll tell you why. It's an excuse to do tricks. I love tricks. I'm going to show you this trick here. I have been doing this trick, as I say, for nearly 20 years. In fact, if you've seen me on the stage, the chances are you've seen me do this trick. Well, I'm going to show you what the trick does and also how you can do it yourself, okay? So there's these 4 funny cards, and I call them the Predictor Cards. I'll just put that there. Now, normally, I'd start off, I'd get somebody out of the audience and say, hey, you, pick a number between 1 and 16. Now, I can't pick anybody out of the audience because I haven't got an audience. I'm just sitting here on my own. So I'll be the volunteer and I'll pick the number, what should we say, 14. Pick the number 14, okay? Right, let's get the first card. I need 14 to be on top of the card. In fact, can you see 14's there? It's on the top half of the card. So I leave that one just there like that. So we get another card. Is 14 on the top of the card? Can you see it there? No. 14, there it is. So that card's now the right way up. I put these two together like that, yeah? Next one, number 14, is it on the top? Can you see 14? Yeah, there it is, 14's there. So he's the right way up. There you go there, like that. Leaves just one little gap there. Finally, the last card is this one. It's a square card. It's a little bit different. 14, is it the right way up there, or is it fallen over? Oh, it's kind of fallen over. It's there. Can you see it? Right, there's the number 14, and so now the 14 is the right way up there. We put those two together, and here's the good bit. There you go. Do you like that? And that works with any number between 1 and 16. It's a lovely little trick, and I'm going to show you how you can make it, okay? Come and have a look at my website. This is the Murderous Maths homepage. There's about 600 different pages on Murderous Maths, but what you're looking for is this one, fun stuff to do and make. So if we just click on that, there we go. All these different things come up. Look, there's tons of different stuff up there. You can try those as well. But this is the trick I just showed you. So if we click on that, we go to the page that shows you how to make the predictor cards. And that actually is a video of me doing the trick for real with a proper volunteer and not just me making it up. And if you go down the page, at the bottom, in this little box here, if you click on there, ta-da, there you go. That's the piece of paper that you need to print out. There's your piece of paper then. And so all you need to do is cut the bits out, and you can either use scissors, or of course you can do it the magic way. And that's the magic way. Hey, fantastic. Right, once you've done that, you get this one, and you fold that one in half down the middle, exactly like that. Right, we're just going to lie these down so we can see them all. This one, lie it down so that you can't see the grid of numbers. We'll try the trick. We'll try, what should we try? Number 5. Let's look at this one. 5, no, he's not the right way up. He's the right way up. Now, there's 5. This one, turn him round, that's 5 the right way up. This one, there's 5 there, so he's okay. And 5's already there, so he's okay. Then what we do is we pile up the funny shaped ones, that one, and then that one, and it leaves one little gap. And then finally, this one goes on the top, and then make it nice and neat. And then when we turn it over, there's number 5. How good's that? I really love this little trick. As I say, I've been doing this for 20 years. So if you make your own version of it, or even a big version, who knows? You might still be doing this trick yourself in 20 years' time. In the meantime, stay safe, have fun. Bye-bye.